Today we're going to focus on hips stretching, strengthening and leg strengthening. So you look at squats and maybe some lunges. Let's start. Hi, I'm Al from yogagangear.co.za and I've created this space for you to heal your body and mind with yoga. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to grab the tip of the day at the end of this video. Okay, we start standing on our mats and we're just going to warm up the hips. So bring your feet under your hips and just get the balance on the left leg. Don't pop the hip out, bring it under the under the shoulder, and bring the right knee up. And we rotate the right knee, making circles. 2, 3, 4, and rotate the other direction. We're just rotating into the hip. 4 and 5. Before you put the knee down, take the knee, bring it into the chest to realign your hip. Place the foot down. We're going over to the other side. Lift the left leg, rotate, making circles with your knee. 3, and change directions. And bring the knee into the chest. Very good. Keep the ankles under the hips. Place your hands on the top part of your waist and we're going to rotate into the waist. If you need to, you can separate the feet a little bit more, depends on your body. And we rotate, making large circles with our hips. Just make the circles as large as your body can. Following your breath. Inhale as the hips come forward, exhale as they go back. And we change directions. Inhale, exhale, exhale. 2, and 5. Very good. And relax. And we come to the one side of your mat. Okay, ankles under the hips, and we inhale as we raise the arms up and a slight back bend, and as you exhale, come forward in a forward fold. And if you can't reach the floor, just bend your knees a bit, and bend your knees, continue bending, lift the heels and come on the tippy toes. And from here, keep your hands on the floor and try and straighten the legs. So inhale, and as you exhale, and inhale, bend the knees again. And we're going to do 4 more of these. Exhale, straighten. And the last one. Very good. Come down on the tippy toes, and from here take the left leg to the back and come up into warrior 1. And from here we open our arms to the right, get hold of the back leg with the right arm, look at the back leg and curve back. And inhale, release. Stay in warrior 1, and from here straighten the front leg, and as we exhale we come down, bringing the left knee almost to the floor but not touching, and up again. Bend the front leg and up Keep your balance. And 4 more. And we're going to go down and just hover the left knee above the floor and hold it here. And inhale, come up. Very good. And from here, bend the front knee and we come into chair by bringing the left foot forward and come into chair. Hold it here. And we're going to pulse up and down like you're going to sit on a chair. 1, 2, 5, 6. Very good. And now we're taking the right leg to the back by placing the hands on the floor. Step back with the right leg and come into Warrior One. And from here, we're going to open to the left, back hand down, look at the back leg, curve back. And inhale up, back to Warrior One. And straighten the front leg. And get ready to go down and up. The right knee, left knee bends, the right knee comes close to the floor but not touching, and up. 2, 5, 6. And the last one. And we're going down and we're going to hold it, just hovering the right knee above the floor. And inhale, come up. Very good. Bend the left knee. Come forward into chair. And from here, we're going to turn to the left and rotate out with the toes pointing out, and straighten the legs, bring the arms down, interlock your fingers, adjust your feet as need be for squat and rise. And remember, when you squat, don't let the knees fall in, keep the knees over the feet, and don't poke your bum in, tuck your tailbone in. To protect our knees, we keep it over the feet. Arms are relaxed, interlock your fingers, and we're going down in a squat, about 20 centimeters down, and press into the heels, not the toes, and come up, and again. Up to 6. Very good. Now we're going lower, about 30 centimeters down. And remember, when you come up, to squeeze your buttocks all the way to the top. Excuse me. And we go down. Squeeze the buttocks. 2. Up to 6. What you can do today. If it's just 2, then you just do 2. And now we're going to go down and try and get the thighs parallel with the floor. And keep the knees over the feet parallel and squeeze the buttocks all the way up. up to 6. 3 more. And the last one. Very good. And now you're going to adjust your feet if you want to. We're going to go as low as you can. Take your time and try keep the knees over the feet. And up. And up. And 3 more. Stretching into the knees and the hips. And the last one. Very good. And from here, release your arms. Take a small step to this side and turn to the right. Bring your hands down and release the right leg and bring the right knee to the right hand and slide back into pigeon, stretching into the hip. You can stay here or come down on the elbows or all the way down. Inhale, lift your head, walk your hands closer. Press into your hands and the back toes and release the right leg. And you can use your hands or you can just turn to the other side. Press into your hands and bring the left knee to the left wrist and slide down. Stay here or come onto the elbows all the way down. Make sure that your hips are not leaning to the one side. Keep them level with each other. Inhale, lift your head, walk the hands closer. Press into your hands and release the leg. And from here, we're going to turn sideways with the back toes, foot flat, and the left toes pointing out. And from here, you inhale, we come up into goddess pose, elbows in line with the shoulders. Adjust your feet if need be. And you come as low as you can and we hold this. You can stay here or you can go onto the toes and hold goddess pose. Keep your balance. Strengthening the legs and the inner thighs. And exhale, heels down. Hands slide on the inside of the legs. Get hold of your ankles. Adjust the toes to point forward. And use your elbows to push out the knees. And bring the buttocks parallel to the floor. Look at the floor and hold it here. From here, place your hands on the floor, adjust your feet, and come into a very low squat, into Namaste Mudra, pressing the knees back with the elbows. Very good. If you can't come this low, it's okay. If you're up here, it doesn't matter as long as you're stretching into the hips. And from here, hands down, adjust the toes to point forward and slowly roll up to the top. Very good. And from here, just inhale, bring the arms above the head, hands together, and we're gonna exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Center. Right. Center and left, and hold it there. And inhale, center. And exhale to the right. Hold it. And inhale. Release the hands. And as you exhale, come to a forward fold. Very good. Bend the knees, bring the shins onto the floor. Knees together, toes together, heels apart, buttocks in between the heels. And as you exhale, bring the forehead to the floor, arms next to the body, into child's pose. You can close your eyes. Very good. And as you inhale, lift the head first. Don't use your arms to press into the mat. Use your abdominals. Slowly come up into Vajrasana. Thank you. The tip of the day. The tip is frequency. So the more you do it, the more you stretch. It's not how much you do, it's more how frequent you do it. So if you can't do an hour's exercise a day, 15 minutes a day, every day is just as good as an hour 3 times a day. So rather try do it every day a little bit, and you will see improvement in your stretching a lot faster. If you're a runner like me, then you run and your hamstrings get shorter, and then you stretch, and so it's a back and forth, but it keeps you healthy. And don't forget to drink lots of water after anything that you do. It's important to drink lots of water, especially after yoga. Okay, so if you enjoyed this session, how's your legs? How are you feeling? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button and give me the thumbs up. And now you can go and do this again. Have fun. Adi Om Tat Sat.